Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am bringing UPTET test notification. This is also government job notification. Sorry guys, actually in this official notification they are totally giving in only Hindi. Actually I don't know Hindi, but I am promising to my subscribers. What I am promising means I will provide each and every important update, each and every government job notifications. So but sorry, but I will provide only official and only important. I will cover so much important points, and each and every point I am already taking another one. So now I will tell about each and every point in clearly in English. So okay, you can see application. This is also that one, this one same as it is Uttar Pradesh TET examination 2026 short details. This all and all only important what that notification telling, that all and all. And now I am taking another site, and now I am telling about that points. So application starting date is 27th March 2026. This notification already started guys. So who are all waiting for teacher post, you can see, you can use this job. Application last date is April 26 2026. So if you are applicable and if you are eligible this job notification, you can apply before 26 2026, and the payment also you must pay to 2026 April before only. So if you are any correction like wrong mistakes, you must be recorrect them in May 1st 2026 before the only. After that there is not possible. And also exam date also they are giving 2nd, 3rd, 4th July 2026, and exam city details 22 June 2026 they are providing. Admit card you must what like where is your exam center, and each and everything they will provide in admit card. 13th June 2026 you can download admit card, and then we can see in exam cities before 13th, after 13th June 2026. And also result date they are not now giving. Official notification is coming, then updates I will provide in our channel. And also application fees is general and EWS and OBC candidates you must pay 1000 rupees. For SC/ST candidates you must pay 500 rupees for application fees, and also PH candidates 300 rupees. This all notification you must paid in online only, there is no offline option. And also the eligibility criteria and post, each and everything now I will tell, you can see clearly. Test primary teacher class 1 to 5, first class to 5th class candidates must be bachelor's degree from NCTE recognized institution along with a valid teacher training qualification. Training teacher eligibility and training like qualifications you want to must need. And also BTE and BIED and are equivalent final year candidates are also eligible in this general, like 50% marks you need to in graduation also you need. And they are asking another thing, TET upper primary classes like 6th class to 8th class eligibility criteria. They are asking candidates must be have a bachelor's degree, at least 50% marks, and 45 marks in some cases also 45% they are asking minimum eligibility marks. And also NCTE recognized institution also they are asking, and BED, BTE, BIED are equivalent final year also they are asking. If you are a final year studying, then you also eligible for this criteria, like graduate students only they are asking 50% minimum marks qualification. So this is the overall notification for 6th class to 8th class and 1st class to 5th class, totally 1st class to 8th class only for this job notification. And also now we will tell another important points. Okay, this is the official notification only important was this much only. So application online link and corresponding notice and official notification, download exam notification and check test syllabus, exam pattern, last year pattern, and also last year exam question papers, and also exam pattern, junior level syllabus exam pattern, UP official website. This all and all I will pin in our description. After that this video you can just click this notification, that links, and you can go and see official notification. Okay, this is the overall notification. Each and every point I am already clearly tell. So last date is 26 April 2026. Who are all waiting and who are all eligible this job notification, you can go and apply this job. Thank you very much. If this if this video is useful, you can I am requesting everyone, please give one small like and subscribe our channel. I hope everyone give one small like and subscribe, because sorry for English also I am little bit confusing, because I am new user to YouTube, so that's only I am little bit triggering. So don't worry, I will improve our English skills also for you and for my personal use only. So thank you very much. Please give one small like and subscribe. Thank you very much.